Bom dia, everybody. Welcome to my second day in Sao Paulo, and I am here in a very unique town. It's called Liberdade, which is a Japanese town. It is the largest Japanese community outside of Japan, and as you can see, even the lighting kind of like give you the theme of Japan. We're gonna go. There are two streets in this area that is a must visit. Let's repeat that because the bus. So there are two streets in this area that is a must visit, and we're going to the first one this way and then the second one the other way. So I drove here from the hotel, which took about half an hour, and it was just a light traffic, wasn't that much traffic. And it's raining today, you know, complete opposite of yesterday. The Liberdade itself is a large town, but for tourists all you need to see is two streets, maybe three. So yeah, let's walk and discover this little piece of Japan here in Sao Paulo. Hey, what's up, doggy? So this is the beginning of the street where everything is happening here in Liberdade, and it's raining, but a lot of people, as you can see, that's just walking around and enjoying the summer in Sao Paulo in a little piece of Japan. So the street goes all the way straight, and then it goes to the left. So we're gonna go all the way to the end and then to the left and see what we can see, discover and explore in this little piece of Japan.
Cuidado.
Oh, look at that sign in Japanese. I'm just gonna go. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me go in there. Check what's going on in there. Honestly, I came here, I didn't know what to expect. Apparently this is one of the largest anime shops or more in Sao Paulo. I am not surprised. If it's a Japanese town, then hey, anime is a must. Let's go up there and see more. Oh my goodness, look at that. Don't touch. Okay, let's go upstairs. It is a whole mall just for anime. Look at me. Hello. Nice haircuts. Here goes all the bathrooms. I'm not going there. Let's go back. That is amazing.
Essa aqui, ó.
Nice.
Esse acessório, o óculosinho com um olhinho de... É uma banda!
All right, let's head outside. Hopefully it's not raining as much and walk around the street. But yeah, definitely a place worth visiting here in São Paulo. If you're into anime, then definitely come here. All right, we just got outside, so let's continue the walk to the end of the street. Oh, let's go in there. I don't know what's that. I think this is a park. Of course. Yep. They bring luck, apparently. Let's walk and see. That's it, nothing in there. Don't know what's that.
Para isso a gente ia criar partido levando essas ideias.
It doesn't smell good. So what's the story of this area? Apparently in the 1900s, a few Japanese people decided to settle here, and in this part of Sao Paulo. And I guess everybody else followed, and it became one of the largest Japanese community outside of Japan. I do see a lot of influence. I do see a lot of shops. Unfortunately, it's raining, so it's like not a lot of people. I mean, I could see a lot of people, but not the people that you would expect in those kind of streets. I think it's not raining as much. I actually don't mind the rain. It's just the problem is when you're filming, the camera gets wet and the lens get a lot of raindrops, and you know, you can't really use the videos anymore. So that's why I don't like it. But other than that, I really don't mind the rain. I think this is it. I don't see anything happening there. I mean, the street extends, but I don't see anything happening there. But let's go and see. A rainy day in Japan, I mean Sao Paulo. Definitely nothing happening there. Look at it. So I'm gonna head back to where the people are shopping and then see what's going on there. So let's head back. Oh my goodness, look at that. Such a rip-off for like the 85, the Taiwanese bakery. So they call this the 89C coffee station. Look at that, 89 degrees coffee station. It's such a rip-off for the Taiwanese brand, the 85 degrees bakery. Let's go in there and see what they offer. Let's take their coffee. Alright, it's time to head back. We're going to the House of Japan, which is about half an hour walking from here. But because I have the car down there, so I'm going to take the car and head to the House of Japan and see what is it all about.